In this video, we're unboxing the torque wrench set. The small torque wrench range is 5 to 25 Newton meters. The medium torque wrench range is 10 to 60 Newton meters. The large torque wrench range is 40 to 220 Newton meters. The main purpose of this tool set is to precisely control bolt and nut tightening force, preventing over-tightening or under-tightening. Now let's move on to how to use the tool. First, we need to set the target torque value. Find the specified torque value for that bolt in the service manual and set it as the target value. Unlock the locking button at the end of the wrench handle. Rotate the handle to align the scale with the target torque value. Then lock the locking button. Prevent the torque setting from changing during use. Select the correct socket for the bolt size and install it onto the square drive ratcheting wrench. Press this button to install the socket. Once the socket is on the bolt, keep the wrench level and stable, then apply pressure slowly and evenly. When we hear a click sound or feel a noticeable change in resistance, stop applying force immediately. That means you've reached the specified torque. After using, remember to dial the torque wrench back to its minimum scale value to prevent the internal spring compressing for too long, which could reduce accuracy over time. Remove this nut at the bottom to calibrate the torque wrench. If the torque wrench becomes inaccurate, we can adjust it from the bottom to restore its original precision. This switch on the square drive head, push left for counterclockwise rotation, push right for clockwise rotation. Now let's move on to how to use the tool. Next, we'll use a large 21mm deep socket and a large short extension bar to demonstrate how the torque wrench works. Assemble the socket and extension bar. Press the button on the torque wrench to unlock the drive head. Then insert the extension bar. Here you can adjust the torque you want. Pull down the ring and rotate the handle. Set it to your desired torque, then lock the ring back. This time, we use a Ford F150 lug nut as an example. After setting the correct torque, install the socket on the lug nut and tighten it. When you hear the click-click sound, that means you've hit the correct torque.